Okay, this is an unboxing of Monoprice and a regular 15-watt 1x12 combo tube. So we're going to check this guy out. So far, seems to be packed well. Okay. Alright. Well, instead of using styrofoam, they've got some cardboard corners on here, but it looks like it's double box. So the fact that it's double box is a good thing. So I can do this without just a second here. Maybe I'll do it like this. And you get to see like this. Make this work. The fact that it is upside down because you have the tubes in there. Ship tube amp and make sure that you're not damage the tubes and sockets. So get this guy out like this a little bit. Out. So far, so good. Looks like we have a booklet there. You know, and just the preliminary look at this thing is would appear that quality's not too bad. It has a solid feel, a nice solid handle. So, wow, okay. There's again the booklet, owner's manual. This is the back of the amp, obviously. There's a Celestion 7080 speaker. Got kind of like a, I don't know that that's a steel grill, it might be a plastic grill, but so your tubes don't get overheated, and it's not heavy. And this is a tube amp, which is incredible because usually they're very heavy. So anyway, okay, so we have external speaker, 8 or 16 ohm outlet, effects loop, and also an option for a foot switch there. Okay. So here's the top, the controls, the reverb, tone, volume, bass, middle, treble, gain, and this is supposedly has a 15-watt input and 1 watt. And I've heard the 1 watt is more like probably 5 watts. Now the feel of this thing, it's Tolex, so, and it's got like a cloth screen to it, but the Tolex feels good. I mean, it's not. I mean, it feels thick. It doesn't feel papery or anything. You've got steel corners. These corners remind me of what I had on the PV Classic 30. Had similar corners, steel corners on that. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom, and Guys, we're going to hook this up in a minute and we'll check it out. But so far, everything looks good quality-wise, so I'm going to stop this here and then pick up with sound check.